Open your Steam library. Right-click in the game. Go to Manage. Now there are two options: hide this game and mark as private. If you want to hide this game from other people, you should mark as private. If you use the hide this game option, you will only hide the game for yourself. So if you want to hide the game from other people, click mark as private. If you want to show the game to other people again, just right-click it, go to Manage, and click Unmark as Private. If you want to hide all of your games from other people, click on your account name, go to Edit Profile, go to Privacy Settings, and in Game Details, click the options and choose Private. This will hide all of your games from other people. If you want to hide the game only from yourself, right-click the game, go to Manage, and click Hide this game. To find hidden games, it's very simple. Go to View and click Hidden Games. This is where you can find your hidden games. Right-click the game, go to Manage, and click Remove from Hidden to make it go back to your regular view. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.